Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of nail art with a review of what many consider the best short coffin gel nail tips on the market. I'm excited to introduce you to the AILLSA short coffin nail tips, renowned for their quality and ease of use. Whether you're a seasoned nail enthusiast or a beginner looking to up your nail game, these might just be the perfect fit for you. AILLSA short coffin nail tips come in a pack of 450 pieces, featuring a double-sided matte design that eliminates the need for polishing and primer. Made from soft gel material, these tips are not only durable but also flexible and comfortable. They're pre-shaped in stylish coffin shapes, ensuring a natural look without the hassle of cutting or filing. Let's talk about what sets these nail tips apart. First, the strong adhesion means they stay put through everyday activities like typing or household chores. With 15 different sizes available, there's a perfect fit for everyone, ensuring a comfortable wear that lasts up to 21 days when applied correctly. To wrap it up, if you're looking to enhance your nail game with professional-looking results at home, the AILLSA short coffin nail tips are an excellent choice. They combine affordability, durability, and ease of use into one fantastic product. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for the perfect gift, these nails won't disappoint. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews. Have you tried these nails before? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay stylish.